triple floods, like just like, you know, and the fire drill is freaking going off right now. Like, and it won't stop. It's been like 10 minutes, going on for like 10 minutes. So, okay, we're gonna go get lunch though, so we don't have to be in it. But I think it's just like a drill or whatever. Well, like someone asked us to hit it. Wait, it just stopped.
We're gonna go get food and come back.
Oh, okay, we're gonna go get food and come back. Like, do y'all hear that? Like, nigga. Okay, well.
All of the alarms have been investigated and has been determined all clear. The situation is all clear at this time. We apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you.
Well, so, hey guys, bye, love you.